Okay, number 6, there's no picture. So I'm going to try to think through the problem, and thinking through the problem requires some effort. So let's put this down. Limit as x goes towards 2 from the left, and I'm going to put the function down, which is 1 over x minus 2. There are many ways to think about this. What I'm going to encourage you, though, is I'm going to encourage you to use sign analysis, and I'm going to say there's something happening at the number 2. All right, now what happens at number 2? I have a division by 0, so it's actually undefined at 2. What's the limit asking me to do coming in from the left side? So what I'm going to tell you over here is take some value a little bit below 2 and just evaluate it for sign. So for example, a little bit below 2, like 1.9, you would get 1 over 1.9 minus 2, which is clearly a negative number in bottom, so overall this is negative. So I'm going to say, whatever it is, it's definitely a negative. Now what's happening over here? The bottom is going towards 0. And what do you get over here? You get a blow-up problem. It's going towards minus infinity. All right? So I'll write that down. I'll put a box on it. Let's do the next one. Oh, I'm sorry. I made a mistake there. That's a two-sided limit, so I got to do both sides. Let me get my eraser out. I misspoke. Let's write that down again. I got to do the right side now, because I have to do both sides. Same thing, but I'm going to go over here and take a value a little bit bigger than 2, like 2.1, plug it in. What do you get? 1 over, well, 2.1 minus 2 is a positive number. It's going to be plus. Now, you should realize the bottom is going towards an infinity. I'm sorry, going towards 0. So 1 divided by that 0 is going towards an infinity. So what do you get over here? This is actually D and E. Why is that? They're not in agreement. All right? Now, limit as x goes towards infinity. Well, the top doesn't do anything. It's just always going to be 1. The bottom gets huge. I mean, it's infinity minus 2, which is infinity. And 1 divided by infinity is plus. I'm sorry, 0. But it's coming from the top of it. Why do I know that? I'm looking at the sign now, so I know it's positive over there. So I'm going to say 0. Most teachers would write that down. I'm going to write down 0 from the top of it. Let's do the next one, the limit as x goes towards minus infinity of 1 over x minus 2. What do I know about that? Well, the bottom's going towards minus infinity now, and 1 divided by minus infinity is going to certainly shrink towards 0, but through negative numbers. Again, sign analysis may help with that. A lot of you just write down 0. I'm going to write down 0 from the bottom of it. Let's get the red pen out, see how we did, and we'll one step at a time. D and E, 0, or 0 from the top, 0, or 0 from the bottom. Thank you.